Ever tried to use Circle to Search on your Samsung phone and realized your phone doesn't have it? Yeah, same here. But don't worry, there's a super easy workaround that gives you almost the same features, and I'll show you right now. Circle to Search is honestly one of the most useful Android features, especially on Samsung phones. You can search anything instantly, copy text from the screen, or translate words without switching apps. But here's the problem, not every Samsung phone supports it. Normally, this is how you activate Circle to Search on Samsung. First, go to Settings, then open Display, tap on Navigation Bar, and if your phone supports it, you'll see Circle to Search right here. Just turn it on and you're good to go. But what if your Samsung doesn't support it, just like mine? No worries, we're going to use Google Assistant because it actually has the same core features. Still inside the navigation bar menu, just enable the Assistant app. Now, how do you use it? If you're using swipe gestures, here's what to do. First, open any screen you want to search. For example, I'll open my YouTube channel page. Then, swipe inward from the corner of the screen like this until Google Assistant appears. Next, tap Search Screen. Now you can adjust the snapshot area and position it over the text you want to search. And just like that, the search results will appear at the bottom. Want to copy text? Easy. Just tap Select Text, then copy. Want to translate? Even easier. Just tap Translate, and everything is done instantly. See? Even without Circle to Search, you can still use all the important features using Google Assistant.